Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my very first Simply Gilded subscription box unboxing. This is the Serene Seas box and this was the box for the month of June. It has taken a while for this to get to me and I almost feel like at this point it's a little bit pointless me doing this video because everyone else has done theirs already. But if you haven't been following me on Instagram, my little saga of waiting for this box, basically USPS lost it. Well, they didn't lose it. I've known where it was the whole time. We had tracking the whole time, but they just sent it to the wrong place and it's been bouncing around on its little worldwide journey. So this started out in the US, of course, which is where the company is based. And from there, it somehow made it into the Armed Forces Postal Service and ended up overseas in Europe. So my first tracking popped up that it was delivered. It was ready to be picked up. My post office didn't have it, so I went looking on the tracking and it was ready to be picked up at an army post office. Now, it doesn't tell you where, it just gives you a number. Obviously, I'm not in the armed forces, so I was not able to discover exactly where it was. Next thing I saw, the tracking had been updated. It was in the Armed Forces Europe. Not ideal. No idea why it went there. From there, it went to Milan, Italy, then to London. Then from London, it went back to the US. Stayed in the US for a while, bouncing back and forth about 5 or 6 times. I have no idea why. And then finally, after a few days of nothing, it popped up in Sydney. And obviously it sat at customs for a little while and I have been waiting for it to finally be processed through customs so I could get my hands on this. And I expected it to be completely crushed. It's a little bit, you can see the box has, you know, it's a little bit mangled there, but I had a quick peek inside at the post office and everything looks just fine. So I didn't pull everything out, I just sort of opened the top of the box and looked in and it all looks fine. So let's open her up, ooh, Washi, and see what we have. I'm very excited. I feel like I've been waiting years for this box. Okay, so here's my card with a list of things in the box. Obviously the washi is on top. I'm going to save that for last because it's the best, let's face it. Okay, so here are the sticky notes. They're huge. I think they're probably the biggest sticky notes I own. They're massive. And they're foiled, absolutely beautiful. I'm very excited about these. I honestly don't see myself destashing anything in this box. I really love everything I've seen so far, so I think I'm going to be keeping everything. Except maybe this. This is a pocket-sized TN insert. I don't use pocket. Possibly slip this into one of my personal size TNs just as like a little notebook. I might do that because it really is very cute. It's got this seahorse on the front and the little foiled accents as you can see there. Just tilting it to catch the lights, and then the back is foiled as well. I feel free with the sea. Then we have a sheet of the seashell sticker labels. They're all foiled as well. So pretty. They'll get a lot of use. Next we have the journaling card, which is like getting some pretty horrible shadowing here. I apologize, it's starting to get a bit dark, but you can see there, that's a bit better. Like blues, pinks, very pale, a watercolor effect, and then you have this gold foiled script, which is really pretty. Sorry if I sound a little bit snuffly and sort of nasal. I do have a bit of a cold coming on. Just woke up with that this morning. My daughter has it too, which is just brilliant. And next thing we have a gold pearl pen. I actually already have one of these in the rose gold, so that's nice to have the gold version. And it says this is gel ink, which I'm pretty sure that this is ballpoint. Oh, I like it. I really like that. Oh, that's good. Oh, that writes nice and smoothly. And it's quite a fine nib. Oh, okay, I'm happy with that. That's really cool. I do prefer a gel pen. Okay, then next on the list is the foiled die cut stickers. So they're just really cute little stickers and they're, like you can see, all foiled. So we have a seashell, like a clamshell with a pearl. Little whale, oh, he's cute. The little eyelashes, oh. Some just big scallop shells. Little fish, oh, he's cute. Oh, little seahorses are adorable. Okay, next I have these stickers and there are 2 sheets of these. I'm actually quite excited about these. I've seen a few people do weekly spreads with these and I really think I want to give that a go. I love these colors. I just think they're so pretty. Look at that foil. That is incredible. I think I'd have trouble using these just because they're so beautiful. Oh. So you get your days of the week, you get quite a few headers, you get some flags, some more little like smaller headers down here, some checklists, some cute scripts like day, night, happy mail, things like that. And then you get some more larger headers over here and quite a bit of like little decos. That's meal plan and appointment, so that's really handy. Some more flag icons, and then your 3 sort of full boxes. And finally, let's break out this beautiful, beautiful washi. There are 5 in this month's box, which is actually pretty incredible value considering like how much we usually spend on postage and washi in Australia. Always quite expensive. I think the sub box is pretty good value. So should I open these? What do you guys think? I am team open, so I really don't mind doing it. So let's do it, hey? Okay, and there they are, all open. Oh, look at that foil. Oh, that's so pretty. So these are a champagne gold, I believe. I am pretty sure they are. Yeah, so that's champagne. So the bows are sea glass, I've been told quite reliably by everybody. And I'm kind of peeved, to be honest, because this would have matched nearly all the spreads I've done so far for winter that I didn't have washi to match because I didn't have a blue one. This would have matched pretty much every one of those. So if it had have got here earlier. Oh, but I'm so happy with these. That is such a pretty blue. Here we go. And those mermaid scales are just stunning. I love that champagne gold. And then we have the tropical ocean washi. It has little starfish and little fish and jellyfish, and there's all little gold foiled dots, as you can see. And then the word washi. Okay, I'm actually just going to peel this up because I lost the end of the words there. There we go. High tides, good vibes, Easter day. Just super pretty. I love this. Okay, now I'm just going to share some samples with you that I bought from some of the lovely ladies on the buy sell trade. So to start with, I picked up some purple mist. These are all 60 centimeter samples. So this is the 15 mil with the holographic silver foil. You can see there it goes a little bit pink and purple and blue in different lights. It's actually really hard for me to tell in real life whether it's holographic or not unless I have artificial lights on it like now. But I get a lot of use out of this. I've got a sample of it and I've used it so much I'm nearly out. So I wanted a couple of backups to use. I mean, it's supposed to be purple, but it's pretty much just a really light grey with a slight purple tint in it, and it just matches so many things. Now, this lady was super sweet, and she's added this extra skinny washi in as well. I didn't pay for that. That was just a freebie from her. Such a lovely gesture. I don't know if that is I'm assuming it's a Simply Gilded washi, but I don't know what it is. I'm not a Simply Gilded like buff. I don't know the names of most of them unless they're really recent. And honestly, like I don't even know what half these are. I just see photos of them and I go, oh, that one's pretty, I'll have some of that. So I know this is the most recent Purple Mermaid Tail, and these 3 florals are from the most recent release. I'm pretty sure this one was from the Plain and Sophisticate collab. And this was the other set. I really don't know. I am really actually kind of hopeless. But these are, like you can see, pink foil, I'm pretty sure. Is it pink or is it rose gold? It looks really pink in this light. Maybe it's rose gold. So this sample set, oh, gosh, I don't even know. Really, I have no idea what this one is. I saw it in the picture and I thought it looked pretty. So I went, yep, I'll have some of that. This is more purple mist, but this is the original version with just the plain silver foil. Then I also picked up, I'm pretty sure this is the most recent tropical pink. And then this is one of the plaids. I really don't know. It's got like a rose gold bow on it, and it's like a dark, like a burgundy and pink plaid, really pretty. I just liked it. So obviously I just picked these all quite randomly out of, yeah, a bunch of different ones on offer. I just really, really like them. I love samples. I like being able to pop these in my TN and pockets. They fit super nicely and they're really quite easy to store if you want to keep them at home. So mine are going to go straight into my little goodies trolley for now, just to live, and they're going to be very happy in there for a while. So that's all for my little Simply Gilded haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the little bell notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.